Hi everyone, let's make bunny ears using pipe cleaner. So fold this pipe cleaner, make a ring. Now fold again and make the ears of the bunny and tuck it inside. Now we are going to cover the center as well. Put this pink pipe cleaners and a bow as well, and look, your bunny ring is ready. We are going to make colorful shape using pipe cleaner. So we are going to roll this pipe cleaner on this stick and make a shape like this. Now we are going to make different circles using pipe cleaners and combine all of them. We are here making the back of the sheep, make the head and put it on the top of it, make the legs using earbuds, and look, it's done. Let's make colorful flowers for your flower pot using pipe cleaner. We are making this purple flower, so cut it and paste it using hot glue gun. Make a petal. Similar way, we are going to put it around this green stick. Make more such petals. Cover it using floral tape, and look, your flower is ready. Put it inside the flower pot. Let's make this cute little Christmas tree using pipe cleaner. We are folding this green color of pipe cleaner. You can take whatever length you wish. Now start folding it, but remember to decrease the size while folding the tree. Now we are going to fold it and make a triangular shape like this. Now keep it aside. After this, we are going to make the trunk using this brown pipe cleaner. Fold it like this. Here we are going to fold it again and again. Now we are going to put it inside like this, and similar way we are going to put it again like this and cut the pipe cleaner and paste it on the back side of the tree like this using hot glue gun, and look, it's done. After this, you can beautify it and decorate it with various things, like we are going to put these balls on the top of it. You can use stars and pearls and beads and decorate it according to your wish. Here we are going to make Christmas wreath using this ring and pipe cleaners. First cover the ring, and now we are going to make different leaves using green pipe cleaners and put it around the ring like this. Add a hanging as well. Now decorate it using ribbons and teddy bears, Santa Claus, and look, it's ready. Look at these colorful caterpillars. Let's make it using pipe cleaner. So wrote colorful pipe cleaner on this pen. Now remove all of them one by one, and we are going to put all of them inside this brown pipe cleaner and make the antennas, roll it, paste eyes, and look, your caterpillars are ready. In this video, we're going to make these beautiful little dragonflies using pipe cleaners. First, we're going to fold this black pipe cleaner. We're going to use this stick and make two rings like this. Later, we're going to make the eyes of the dragonfly. Now, cut the extra fiber from the stick using scissors and fold it like this. Now, keep it aside. Now, we're going to make the wings. Here we are going to use the purple color of pipe cleaner. You can take whatever color you like pink, yellow, and make the wings of the dragonfly like this. Twist it. Now keep it aside as well. After this, we're going to cover the body of the dragonfly using this blue color of pipe cleaner. Now combine both the wings and the body together and tie a knot like this using this blue color of pipe cleaner. Cover the body like this, roll it around like we are doing here, and look, it's done. Cut the extra part and twist it from its bottom side. Now paste googly eyes on the top of it, and look at this beautiful and cute dragonfly. You can make more such at your home. Thank you so much for watching this video.